got pulled over last night, but I asked for it. No, I literally asked for it. The 87 Mustang taillights, they do work during the day, but for some reason at night when you have the headlights on, one of them goes dim when you hit the brake. You wouldn't even notice if it wasn't dark out. Well, I noticed this Metro police officer behind me with a headlight out. I kind of want this Metro cop to pull me over and say there's something wrong with one of my taillights so I can point out the fact that he's got a headlight out. And like, can we just be even? Like, I actually have the taillight bulbs at the house. They just arrived yesterday, but have been working, you know? I am getting pulled over. Well, this ought to be interesting. Okay. He's coming over to your side.
Come on, guys.
Hey, what's up?
Officer Miller, Metro. We're about a camera. Reason for the stop, man, is your left brake light's out.
I got you.
Okay.
Your right headlight is out.
I know, it goes
Okay.
on and off.
I actually...
And it's a government vehicle.
And I could actually show you. Rock Auto just yesterday delivered all my taillights for this.
Okay.
I bought it like 2 weeks ago. And I know that I think when I put the brake on, one of them goes dim.
I got you.
But
Yeah, the other one's dim too.
Yeah.
It's just this one's completely out.
I'm
right
replacing all of them.
now. Okay.
I mean, I literally could do it as soon as I get home. But
I got you.
yeah.
Is there? I gotta ask anything in the car I need to know about? Guns, drugs, bombs, alligators, nothing. I just need a driver's license real quick, just for my report.
All right.
If you don't mind, sir. Where are you guys coming from?
We're just hanging out.
Oh, I got you. I was just wondering. That's all.
Yeah.
All right. I'll hang tight. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Yep.
I totally called that though. Your right headlight is out.
It's a government vehicle.
He has a legit reason to pull me over. But he wants to search for other stuff and that sort of thing.
Is there anything I should know about in the car?
Well, the answer is no. Nothing you should know about. See, he wants to ask, where are you coming from? Like, oh, a bar or something. We literally came from the movie theater, but it's like still none of his business where we're coming from or where we're going to.
No, yeah, every question is
Just
it's
fishing.
throwing out the line. It doesn't really even matter what the question is. It's just as long as you can get them to talk.
Right.
There you go, boys.
Hey man, appreciate
All
that.
right, y'all good to go, okay?
All right,
Just-
thanks. I'm literally.
I know, you good.
I'll put them in as soon as I get home.
Eventually, because God forbid someone's not paying. I mean, they should be paying attention.
Yeah.
And they're like looking
Hit
at
from
one
the back.
light, they won't realize it. So
Yeah.
just so y'all know, you're all good.
So,
all right.
thanks.
Yep, no problem. Have a good
Yeah. Was that 2?
Yeah, there were 2 cops.
Okay, now I can burn out right now. Your front right headlight is out. That's good.